Hafa day! If you've been craving Guam pickled papaya, this is the video for you. The ingredients and a link to the recipe are listed below. First, you'll need to lightly clean and rinse 2 hard, unripe green papayas. Remove the peel. Each papaya weighs about 1.5 pounds or 0.7 kilos. Cut it in half and watch all the seeds come out. Cut the end and cut in half again. Papaya, or papadza in Chamorro, is kind of sticky like potatoes, but it's firmer. Use a paring knife to remove the seeds. The insides aren't soft like ripe papaya, so you can't use a spoon. Peel out all this stuff. If you happen to let the papaya sit on the counter a couple days too long, the skin will soften and get wrinkled. That's fine. The inside will still be hard and firm enough to make Chamorro pickled papaya. Slice, and remember that this is very sticky. Make sure the blade of your knife is actually piercing the flesh so it doesn't slide onto your fingers. Just take the slice off the knife if you need to. Use a mandolin if you have one. It's safer and will give you even slices. See, look at that. Pour 1/4 cup or 72 grams of salt over the 2 medium papayas, then cover it with water. Stir to mix and soak for 1 hour to draw out the water and the starch. Then drain it in a colander and rinse it well. I'm going to divide this into 2 batches so it's easier to mix the water and all the ingredients. You can also make one batch spicier than the other. Remember getting bagfuls of papaya from the mom and pop stores on Guam? Pickled papaya is my favorite among all the pickled Guam recipes. This is 1 medium papaya's worth of slices. Add 1 cup or 237 milliliters of white distilled vinegar, 2 cups or 474 milliliters of water. There you go. 2 tablespoons or 25 grams of granulated sugar, and 3/4 teaspoon of salt or a scant 5 grams. Stir this good. Even if your papaya is a little pink, as long as it's hard, it's still good to use. Let me taste this. That's good. Add hot pepper or doni and stir to mix it in. This will need to soak for at least 5 days in the fridge before it's ready to eat. The longer it sits, the better, even 3 months. Oh yeah, it's perfect. If you love my Guam pickled papaya video, please share it, subscribe, and hit the bell so you're the first to know when I put out a new recipe. Thank you. Sana Diyos hasta aquí.